Welcome, today we're the Motorola Moto E40 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application, and after that just tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logged in here into the Gmail account in Gmail app, and if you want to log out from Gmail application from Gmail account, you should log out from Google account on your device. To do that, you should tap to manage accounts on this device and select your account. After that, just to log out from this account, tap here remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again. Now we can see that in Google account settings we'll just log out from Gmail from Google account, and let's go back to the application. Let's refresh it and we can see that we'll just log out successfully from Gmail app also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.